Hi guys, welcome to today's video. Today we're going to be unboxing and opening. That just means we're keeping it closed, right? Opening up our Splendies I think these are the February ones. So our Splendies subscription. This is a monthly underwear subscription. They do have regular sizes as well as plus sizes. I think the plus size is called volupties or something like that. So we're gonna open this up. I'm super excited to get it. I'm gonna leave a referral link down below if you guys are interested in signing up. The subscription is $16.99 a month total, and there is a $4 coupon that I found online. So my first month was $12.99. I did order this, and I did order the plus size because I'm a plus size girl, and I ordered this February 16th and they arrived on March 3rd. So it took about 2 weeks for me to get them. Not bad. So this is my first month subscribing. So let's open them up and take a look to see what's inside. I love the envelope. These companies that send out packaging, like different packaging like this, I love it. Like the Ipsy envelopes and the BoxyCharm and all that fun stuff. I love it. So this is what it looks like here. Let's open this bad boy up. My hair and I apologize for all the curliness going on up here. My hair and I came to a compromise that I would leave it curly today and then it would cooperate the rest of the week. Let's see if that happens. So this is what it looks like. It comes wrapped in tissue paper and it says Splendies right here. And there's supposed to be 3 underwears in here, 3 pair of underwear. So let's open it up. So I'm opening it up here. Dun, dun, dun. Ooh, I already like the colors in here. Oh, you can select an option if you want thongs or no thongs. And then those are the only really, aside from sizes, those are the only options they give you. Thongs, no thongs. I just chose none. No thongs, my personal preference, but you can choose whatever you want. So the first undies in here are super adorable. I think I might have ordered them a size too big. They look like this super adorable. I love these. These are from Renee Rafi, I think, is that the brand? I don't know how to pronounce that, but they are like just brief, not briefs, they're like bikini cut kind of, super cute. And I love that they have like the cotton in the middle, you know, in the crotch area. So this is what they look like, super cute. I love these, but I'm thinking I might have gotten a size too big. I'm gonna try them on and I'll show you guys. I mean, like over my leggings. I'm not gonna like really try them on. This is the next pair. This is from Spree Intimate. Super adorable. I love lacy underwear like this, and look at how cute that is. OMG. This color is like a blush kind of color. Oh, this size is a 1X/2X. This one was a, what does it say on here? Let me see. Same, no, this one is just a 1X. That's what I ordered them in, was a 1X. So this one was 1X. This one says 1X, 2X on here. I love the blush color, and like this is just super, totally up my alley. I love those. And then the last one is also 1X. This one is Ed Hardy, and it has a tag of $36 on there. And these are really thick. These are like a regular brief. Like I don't see these as a bikini cut because they do seem to like go pretty high up in the waist. So let me put these on. This is just my normal body. I usually wear a size, I think I'm like a, let me bend down so you guys can see me out. Or let me back up. I think my bottoms, I'm usually like a 16-ish. Like these leggings that I'm wearing, they're just super like comfy ones. And these are large, but they're super stretchy. I'm usually like a 16 down here and all this. So let me put these ones on and show you guys. So we'll try these ones on first, the Ed Hardy ones. And I have a feeling these are like the, like super high-waisted, not super high-waisted, but like the normal brief ones. What are they called? Like just brief ones. What do you guys think of this look? Okay, so yeah, these are like, if you're wearing low-cut jeans, you're gonna totally, oh my god, look at that look. You're gonna totally be able to see, like if you sit down, these are, look, these are my leg. Here, let me take this off so you guys can see what this looks like. Okay, so this here is my regular leggings, right? If I'm wearing these here and I'm wearing low cut jeans, you're definitely gonna see. So you're not gonna want to wear these. They feel really comfortable though. So you're not gonna. Oh, let's not show you guys my stomach. You're not gonna want to wear these with any kind of low cut jeans because you'll be able to see your freaking like your. I mean, they do feel comfortable though. You know what these feel like? These feel like they'd be good for like when you're working out. That they would be good too. Oh, I don't know if I know some people don't wear underwear when they work out. I do, but these would be good for that. So they give you total like your whole cheek is covered, you know, it's not gonna be like riding in your butt or anything. I'm sorry, you guys can't see my face. So that was the first pair. I do really like those. Maybe I got the right size, I'm not sure. Let me, okay, so I'm gonna put these ones on, the lacy ones, and these ones, I don't know. See, here's my thing, like I might not, you guys might be like, she's not that big, but I am. I have a big butt and big hips. So actually, you know what, I thought I got them too big, but no, these are super cute. This is what they look like in the front. Hold on. Here's my thing. I don't like when you get cute underwear, right, and then it starts like rolling under this pouch right here. I can't stand that. Okay, but these are super cute. Hold on, let me adjust them a bit. So these are totally gonna show like your butt crack here, just so you guys know. But they're super cute. I really like the color of these. And you know what? These all feel, they feel super comfy. Like I don't feel, even though I have like my leggings and my normal underwear on, it doesn't feel like they're tight or pinching or anything. So these are super cute. I really like these. Sorry, I know you guys can't see my face, but the next one is the gray colored ones. I like these. Same thing. They don't feel like, you know, there's some underwear that you feel like I can't, it's not gonna stretch, like it's gonna rip if I stretch it. This does not feel like that. These are same thing. They're super comfy. I really like it. And I thought these were gonna be high-waisted too, but they're not. They're like normal. They're not so high. I mean, yeah, I suppose you can pull them up, and yeah, they're gonna give you a wedgie, but I mean, don't pull them up. I mean, not a wedgie. You're gonna be able to see them up like super high. But there's those. They look. Look at how cute. Let me fix the crotchal area. Oh yeah, you have to be careful with that. Make sure you fix your crotchal area, and they feel super cute. I really like these. I know it's kind of weird because I'm showing you my underwear, but I swear I'm clothed. I have clothes on. I have an underwear on. You know, I'm not naked. So I just wanted to let you guys know, because there is times where I see women order things and I'm like, I wonder what that looks like. What does her body look like? This is what my body looks like. Like I said, I have a butt. I have waist. You know, I'm a chubby girl, you know. So let me know what you guys think. Thank you guys so much for spending time with me today. I do really appreciate you guys. Oh, before you leave, don't forget to hit the like and the subscribe button somewhere there and down below, and also the bell notification so that you're notified every single time I upload a video. And please don't forget to tell all your friends and family to watch as well, because why miss out on all the fun, right? Thank you guys so much for being here, and I'll see you guys next time.